Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, you will need a few essential tools: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid losing any screws or damaging your device. 1. Power down the device. Before starting any repair, make sure your Surface Laptop Studio 2 is powered off completely. Unplug any power adapters and wait for a few minutes to ensure there's no residual charge. 2. Remove the back cover. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back cover. There are typically 6 screws that need to be unscrewed. Keep these screws in a safe place. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, starting from one of the corners. Be cautious not to apply too much force. 3. Disconnect the battery. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component, usually secured with adhesive. Carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If you're unsure, refer to your device's manual for the exact location. 4. Remove the old battery. The battery may be glued in place. Use the plastic spudger to gently lift it out. If necessary, apply a bit of heat to soften the adhesive, making it easier to remove. Remember, if you feel uncomfortable performing this task or don't have the tools, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 5. Install the new battery. Take your new battery and align it properly in the compartment. Press it down firmly to ensure it adheres to the base. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it's secure. 6. Clean the interior. Before sealing the device, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any particles that may have accumulated. This keeps your device running cool and efficiently. 7. Reassemble the device. Place the back cover back onto the laptop and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the casing. 8. Power on the laptop. After reassembling, power on your Surface Laptop Studio 2. Check to see if the battery is charging correctly and monitor its performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. With our service, you won't have to make calls or travel. Just let us know, and we'll take care of the rest. Enjoy your refreshed device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.